Okay, this is how to create your page from your phone, mobile edition. Okay, so the mobile edition. Let's see. So when you log in, it brings you to this your dashboard where you can see all the pages you've already created in the past. Okay, so to start creating a page, all you have to do is scroll down. You will see your existing pages, and any of your existing pages you can edit it by tapping on the three dots. So when you tap on the three dots, you can see edit, but here we are not trying to edit, we want to create a new page. So you click on create link. When you click on create link, you will see 4 different options, but for now we are focusing on creating a page. All these other things, more videos will explain what they do. So you click on bio link page. When you click on bio link page, it will ask you to customize your URL. Okay, so right now, whatever you want your URL to be. So for example, ViewPage.Link/demo. So if that's what I want my own to be, so I'll just say demo. So let me just type demo. It's always advisable to use small letters here. So demo 2. I already have demo 1 before, so that's why I'm using demo 2. So this is where you can put your business name or your name or whatever thing you want to put at the end of the URL. Okay, so once you do that, you click on done and you click on create bio link. So your link will be created and you'll be taken to the next page where you can now start customizing that page. Now on this page, you can see that we are currently on demo 2 page. So this demo 2, we are on the settings at the moment. So how do you use this? Okay, I'll be honest with you, it's way easier when you are using a laptop to do this, but if phone is the only thing you have, then you have to find your way around the way we are doing in this video. Okay, so to see how your page looks, always scroll to the bottom. So when you scroll to the bottom, you'll see how your page looks at the moment. You can see this is just the basic. We've not done anything on this page. So the first thing I would like to do is to change the background of my page by going up. So I'm still on settings. So I click on customization. So under customization, there are some themes I like to use here. So let me just use the simple theme. So when I click on simple, then every time you change something, remember to click the update button. Okay, remember to, it's very important. So when you scroll down, you'll see update. So click on update. When you click on update, scroll to the bottom to see how your page looks. Can you see that the background of my page has changed? So my page is already looking good. So now there are so many things that you can also do on this settings page of your page, but however, let's proceed. All these things you would learn how to do them as you master the use of this platform. Okay, but for now, let's continue to add more things to our page. So let's say I want to add like a logo to my page. So I'll go up. Now when I go up, I switch to blocks. So take notes, after settings you have blocks, so I switch to blocks. Now this is where you see all the blocks on your page. Blocks are like items that you place on your page. Okay, so right now I can see no blocks for now, so I click on add block. So when I click on add block, it will ask me what type of block do you want to add. So first I say I want to add an avatar. So an avatar is like a logo, your logo. Okay, so I type on avatar. So when I type on avatar, it will ask me to choose the file. So since you are using a phone, make sure that you already have the picture you want to use on your phone. Okay, so I click on choose file, then I'll say my photo library. Because I'm using an iPhone, so it just asks me my photo library. So I'll look for the picture I want to put there from my phone. You can use any picture, but let's say for example I just want to use this picture right here, and I say choose. Okay, so now it will ask me for the size. I can change the size from 75 to 100 to 125 to 150, but I like to leave it at 75. So the border radius, so border radius determines whether your logo will be round, square, or whatever. So I'm just going to choose round. I like the round one, and I say submit. So remember, when you submit, you can go down and see how your page looks. So you can see now I have a logo on my page. Now the next thing I want to add is like a title for my page. So I click on add block again, and I say okay, let's add heading. So for an heading, I like to change it from H1. So heading, you have different type of sizes. So the higher the the lower the number, the higher the size. So H1 means very big, H2 means another big. So as you go down, the size reduces. So I like to use H3 so that I cannot be like in the middle or something. So in this place, I'll just type this is a demo page. Okay, so when I type that, I say submit. So when you submit, you scroll down, you see this is a demo page, but I don't like it in white, so let's change it to black. So you tap on that, you go back and tap on this is a demo page, so it will pop up and you'll be able to change the color. So I can switch the color, drag my color to black and say save and update. You can use any color you want. I just use black in this video. So you scroll down, you can see this is a demo page has changed to black. Now, what other things do you want to add on this page? So let's say we want to add an image, for example. So we go back. So everything you want to add to your page is called a block. Okay, so click on add block again. Okay, let's say we want to add image. So I tap on image. The same thing, it asks me to select the image. So I'll go to my phone again, select the image I want to add. So let's say I want to add this image. Okay, and I say choose. Image alt is like what should be displayed if your image is missing. So I don't want my image to be missing, so I just tap image. So nothing. Now destination URL is like where do you want this if anybody clicks on your photo, where do you want it to take them to? Okay, so let's say like if this image is for an advert or for to take people to somewhere, okay, so that's what you put in the destination URL. So in my case, let's say I want the destination URL to be this one, so I just copy that and I put. So remember I said before you start creating, make sure you already have all the things you want to put on your page, so it will be easy for you to just copy and paste. Okay, so that's my image. So you can see we already have an image on that page. So what other things do we want to add? So let's say we want to add a YouTube video. So you click on add block again, scroll down. There are different things you can add, as you can see. So as you get used to it, you can add more things. Okay, but you can start small like I'm doing right now. So I click on YouTube. It will ask me to paste the video or the URL of the YouTube video. So like I said, I already have YouTube on my phone, so I go to YouTube and I just copy any video. So I'll go to copy link and I come back and I paste the YouTube URL. So when I paste the YouTube URL, I will preview my page. Can you see? Now I have a video on that page. Okay, I have a video on that page. So, and this is how you can continue to add more things. So let's say you want to add a button. For example, you click on add block and you say link. So button is used by link. So you paste the URL of the link wherever you want the link to go to. You paste the URL there. Then you give the button a name. You say this is my button. Okay, so let's say that's what you want to show there. So when you do that, a button will be added to the page. You scroll down and you'll see it. Can you see? This is my button. Now I like to use a round button, so I'll go back and customize my button. So you can go back and tap on this is my button. Then you say you scroll down and you change the border radius. So when you change the border radius, change it to round. There's some other things I like to also change on my button. I like to use an image on my button. So I just say choose image. So let's say I want to add a small image to my button. Let's say I want to add this image to my button, for example. You see how it looks. Remember, every time you edit something, always tap on the update button. So I tap on update button and I scroll down to see how my page looks now. You can see my page is round and now this is my button. So you can continue to add and edit more things as you understand this better. Remember, it's always easier to use a laptop, but you are not limited as well when you are using your phone. And I think we can stop this video here for now. Anything you have, you can follow me on my page and ask a question. I'll post a video about it. See you next time.